G'day trendsetters. In this video I want to share with you a few wins and losses I've had with my lots of lemon. So a lots of lemon tree is a dwarf form of the Meyer Lemon Tree, grows about 1.5 meters tall. Proud to say that I took this as a cutting from another lots of lemon tree. Took a while, took me about 3 months for it to strike, and probably 3 years old at this stage. But what I did was, it was in this 30 centimetre pot and it was becoming root bound, so it needed to be potted into a larger pot, but I was a little bit late. Should have been done late winter, but I just never got to it. And I was a little bit worried because I had little lemons that had flowered and I had little lemons on it, so I was a little bit worried if I took it out of this pot and put it into this bigger 50 centimetre pot that the shock might cause it to drop the lemons off. But I needn't have worried, because it's actually gone nuts and just flowered like crazy, and also at the same time it's kept the lemons it had on it. So I'm looking for a double crop at the moment, which is like it'll be like an early crop of lemons and then a later crop. And I'll probably think at this stage, if all of these flowers set fruit, I'm going to have to thin them down to 2 or 3 lemons per bunch, otherwise it'll just be too much, it'll just be laden with fruit. What else? The only problem I've had, apart from a burst of flowers, is I've got all this new soft growth, and at the moment I've got these little black aphids that are just absolutely loving it. The moment I'm just washing them off and brushing them off. If they get too bad, it's only one tree, so it's not too big a deal, but if it gets too bad, I will have to get a bit of white oil onto them, try and smother them and get them off that way. But at the moment, just brushing them off and hosing them off, keeping them under control until the foliage hardens up a bit and it's not so attractive to the black aphid. But that's basically all I wanted to share. I just wanted to share that I did transplant it at the wrong time, but I got away with it, and it's just looking absolutely marvellous now. So this is my cutting grown by me, my dwarf Meyer lemon, commonly known as a lots of lemon tree. Also, if you're interested, let me know in the comments below, but if you're interested, I can do a video on how I took the cuttings and when I took the cuttings and what we need to do. But you don't need to graft the lots of lemon. It will grow happily on its own rootstock, and it doesn't need a dwarfing rootstock to keep it small. It's just a small plant, small cultivar. So that's all I can tell you, I think, about my lots of lemon. Cheers, thanks for watching.